All right, so we want to turn in an assignment. So one of the easiest ways is to click grades. That will take me to my list of assignments that I need to turn in. And I want to turn in this assignment number 1, build a portfolio. So I'm going to select that link and I'm going to scroll to the bottom of that assignment where I have options of how to turn in work. Because this is in my Google Drive, I'm going to click the More button and I'm going to choose the one that says Google Assignments. That will open up an option to select assignments from my Google Drive. So I'll select File, and then I get this window to open up, and I'm going to look for my assignment. Because I just worked on it, it's that first one there, but you want to make sure that you're attaching the right one. So I selected it. Now I can click Add, and now I'm going to attach it back to Canvas. So we have a status bar up here. I can see the assignment name. It's a PowerPoint. It's being attached here. That's what this status bar is showing me. Once it fully attaches, I'll get this green check mark and a Submit Assignment button. Don't forget to click Submit Assignment. We need to click Submit Assignment for it to actually fully turn in. So now it's going to go through the process of submitting and uploading to my Canvas account. It's still processing, so I just need to be patient. I hit the reload page. Let's see if that helps it at all. There we go, it's starting to attach, and I can see the assignment I turned in is right here. So that's how you would turn in your work.